Hi everyone, Mike from North52 here. In today's video, we are going to update various fields on a portal case submission form, and we will update the form based on what case type is selected by the user. For this video, it is presumed that you have Microsoft Portal installed on your environment and that you have working knowledge of North52's Decision Tables. If you do not, please see the links below for tutorials on how to do these. The formula we will use is this one. This formula runs off the case entity, and we can see that it is triggered on the onload event and when the case type is changed. By scrolling up, we can see that it has been set to these two events for the portal form. And now by expanding deployment, we can see that the portal deployment has been set to our portal like so. On the decision table here, we can see that the formula checks the case type. If the case type is set to problem, it will display the subject field, and it will make it a required field as well. It will also enable the contact lookup field, and it will add problem to the start of the case title. If the case type is set to question, it will hide the subject, and it will make it not a required field. The formula will also disable the contact lookup field. So to see this formula in action, let's open up a case submission form. When we change the case type to question, the subject field will disappear. And now let's just enter some words into the case title to show. And now when we change the customer type to problem, the subject field appears and the case title has problem added to the start of it. This has been a North52 video. If you liked it, you can see more videos or read our knowledge base articles at support.north52.com.